today if a film is rejected by censor or it's banned by censor, today a producer has to go to court directly. So which judge is going to sit and watch a 3-hour film and say ये dialogue ठीक नहीं है, और फिर से उन लोग cuts करेंगे और फिर से watch करेंगे 3 घंटे की ये ठीक है. In the tribunal, we used to watch a film, sometimes 3 times also. There were certain controversial films, especially if it was related to violence or women or political agendas. So we would watch the whole film sincerely for 2.5 hours and then debate, hear the producer, hear the director, and then say, okay, we are suggesting you all do this. Why don't... See, we can say cut. But if you do it, I was the only one from film industry. बाकी एक judge था, 2 journalists थे, ये वो. So there were 5 people tribunal. I was the only person representing film industry. So I used to know how a producer will feel if you say, ये 10 feet निकाल दो इसके, 10 frame निकाल दो इसके. ऐसा नहीं होता है ना. You have to have a cohesive
continuity भी होना है.
हाँ, and एक story telling, एक proper. So I would tell them, नहीं आप लोग खुद करके दो. We are telling you, edit it and give it back. We'll see it again. So we would see it again, and maybe a third time. There were certain films we saw three times. And today I think producer, what happens is I would also express to the rest of the tribunal people कि इनकी अगर release fixed है, we need to expedite it. Let's give them a fair, because ये theatre का chain फिर नहीं मिलेगा उनको. They've started their publicity. We need to. So I used to express the problems of the film industry and try and get them the best possible solution. And whereas today now कोर्ट गए तो आपको कब डेट मिलेगी कोर्ट में? आपने सब थिएटर्स बुक कर लिए हैं, पब्लिसिटी आपकी है, and you could go back 3 months, 2 months, 5 months, you don't know. I think that happened recently. हाँ, Kangana's film, it happened now. I don't know how many months it went back.
Yeah.
So that is what I think a tribunal. And somebody told me ये tribunals तो इसलिए हटाए हैं क्योंकि बहुत खर्चे होते हैं उसमें. I said, but खर्चे क्या होते हैं? Nobody has paid anything.
I think it's the people who were part of it. I mean, it becomes that whole thing कि किसको appoint करना है, किसको नहीं appoint करना. All those things also happen.
But that is the certain IMB ministry has to take a call based on experience. And so I remember, sir, हमको 500 रुपए मिलते थे फिल्म देखने के लिए. उसमें कौन सा बजट कुछ हो रहा है? Later than our chairperson who came in, he said थोड़ा सा तो बढ़ाना चाहिए स्क्रीनिंग का पैसा, ऐसा कैसा. Everybody used to come in their own cars, come and sit there, watch a film and go back. I was the only one who used to come from Bombay.
Yeah.
So and then at one time I used to try and see 4-5 films जो हो सकते.
Everything becomes political in this country, I think.
I don't know that, but I was told that a lot of tribunals were disbanded at that time.
Correct.
Which I'm not exactly aware of, but film and censor tribunal.
So Jaya Bachchan just recently went on the floor of the parliament and said that accused the ruling party and the government, the treasury benches, कि आप खत्म कर रहे हैं film industry को. The kind of taxations that you're doing, it's unfair. And she says, on behalf of the film industry, she said, I'm raising my voice against all that's happening. And of course, the BJP had said that we are not the ones who do it. ये Congress party ने emergency के time फलां किया, ये किया, वो किया.
See, we can't keep going back to history. Sometimes we need to see that we are in 2025. What is relevant today is relevant today. It wasn't relevant. In fact, I'm part of CINTA, which is the Cine and Television Artist Association. I'm the president of that. The problems which we are facing today is what today's artists are facing. That wasn't there 20 years ago. That time people were given payment as per the contract, end of the day, end of the month. Today a television actor especially gets payment after 90 days. 90 days is 3 months. And if I've done work today, and if my payment is given to me after 90 days, and I'm talking about small term actors who earn few thousand per day and they get work 2 to 3 days in a month. We are not talking about stars who are getting lakhs of rupees or crores of rupees. उनके तो contract से सब पैसे आ जाते हैं. पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे तो वो घर से निकलेंगे नहीं. But these small time actors, somebody who's playing maybe
and technicians, dancers, all those spot boys.
उन लोगों को फिर भी मिल जाते हैं on daily basis per day.
Okay, the character
actors are not getting. Actors who are playing, maybe he's playing a chauffeur or he's playing a waiter or he's playing XYZ, a lawyer or a doctor in the thing, जो एक दिन का काम आके चला गया. फिर उसके पैसे वो 90 दिन वेट करेगा. He has a family, he has children, he has bills to pay, he has to give electricity bill. So, one of the actors had made a little thing on television. He said, I'm having a coffee today. What if I tell this शॉपकीपर दैट मैं तुम्हें 90 दिन के बाद दूंगा, इसके पैसे अभी मेरे पास नहीं है, मैं कॉफ़ी अभी पी लेता हूँ, बट आई पे यू. Will it be accepted anywhere? How am I supposed to live? Can I tell my teachers, kids, students, I'll pay you after so many months? So, these are things which we are trying to bring forth too. And we are not saying that for every actor. Not the big actors, they are fending. They have their legal support. They can go to court. But these actors don't even have a contract. Earlier, they were given money for conveyance. Okay, they were given like 300 rupees to come. Today, they are asking for 500 rupees. But they are not given. They are expected to reach XYZ place, which is like maybe 2 hours drive away, and not given conveyance. They don't have their cars. They don't have. How are they going to come and go to work? And if they are late in work, they'll say तुम time पे नहीं आए. And they are the last ones left at the shoot. अगर 12 बजे छोड़ेंगे, अगले दिन बोलेंगे 7 बजे आ जाना. So the unfairness of it, the pain of it is so much that I'm really trying my best to bring this to the notice of our authorities.
Well, more power to you. I hope something works.
I hope so. And what Jayaji said is another issue altogether. We are talking about the industry, having certain economic this thing. They want tax relief. In no budget ever film industry is mentioned. Certain relief for film industry, because this I said many years ago that actors have a short lifespan. At least in our time it was, तो इतना भी पैसा नहीं मिलता था जो आज मिल रहा है. Except for the top 5-10. Everybody else has a short time span. अभी खत्म हो गया career तो over. How are you going to live for the rest of your life? You finish your career in 4 years, 5 years, 7 years. And then you're expected to live till 70, 80, 90 years of life. How are you? Don't have that kind of money. So either give us some relief from some way, saying that, okay, an actor maybe gets certain facilities in terms of taxation. Entertainment industry को आप पूरा as a industry कुछ help करो.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.